Hello friends, welcome to How to Rocket. In this video, we will discuss how you can use Udio AI for creating Lofi music. So first of all, what you will have to do, you will have to click here on browser and then search here Udio AI. Once you search, you can see here different websites appear, but you will have to find this website. Here you can see Udio www.udio.com. Simply you will have to click on Udio. Then here you will have to click here on accept all. Then click here to sign in. Sign in with your Google account or whatever you have. As you can see, I'm signing in. Okay. As you can see, I have verified and my username you can see here. Then simply click here I agree and create profile. You can also use or download app from the app store if you want, but just to show you, I'm showing you on a web browser. Now here you'll simply need to add a prompt. If you have to create a lofi music, then simply type here calm, dramatic, calm, dramatic lofi music. Then here you can choose style. As you can see, practice your own style. You can also make your own style. You can find different styles here. Choose whatever style you want. Like I am choosing upline pop. Okay, I am choosing this style. Let's play this once. I would have played this once, but we'll get copyright. That's why I'm not playing here. Then here you can see voice control. This is not free. To use that, you'll have to pay $10 per month or $96 per year. You can create full length songs after using it. You can also write your lyrics here. Simply click here on auto or custom. You can also custom. You can add folders as well here. Then simply click here on create. Now it is generating. Yes, it will take some time. Let's see what happens. It will take a few minutes. Here you can see advanced controls as well. You can choose custom length, then legacy. Then you can also choose song length, as I'm choosing 32 second. You can also allow BPM. It is not free, guys. If clip start, you can also choose lyric timing. You can also type here style guide, like watering this magenta results. You can also type here whatever you want for the warning and style reduction. Type here whatever you have to do, but it's not free. But to use it, you'll have to buy a plan. As you can see, our Lofi music is ready. Now I'm going to play it. Let's click here on done. Due to copyright restrictions, I'm not showing you it full. But yeah, this way you can create Lofi music. It's super easy to use. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.